What's the best way to prepare your hair for highlights? Start by booking a consultation with your stylist to discuss your desired highlight shade and placement. Avoid washing your hair 24 to 48 hours before your appointment so your natural oils can protect your scalp. Use a deep conditioning treatment a week before to strengthen and hydrate your hair. If your hair is dry or damaged, consider a bond repair treatment like Olaplex to reduce breakage during the process. Stay away from heat styling, harsh chemicals, and clarifying shampoos leading up to your appointment to keep hair healthy. Trim any split ends before highlighting so the color applies evenly and looks fresh. Bring inspiration photos to your stylist so they understand the look you want. Ask about toners or glosses, which may be needed to achieve the perfect tone. Wear a button-down or loose top on the day of your appointment to avoid messing up fresh highlights. Be prepared for aftercare, such as using a purple shampoo for blondes or color-safe products to prevent fading. Avoid deep conditioning right before your appointment, as overly moisturized hair can affect color absorption. A well-prepped hair routine ensures your highlights turn out vibrant, healthy, and long-lasting.